Hello, brothers and sisters. Hope you are all well. Our engulfing theory 2 topic is how to mark a large engulfing zone into a small engulfing zone. Before explaining this topic, I want to tell you that if you want to learn a complete course of Forex Trading engulfing theory technique, please join my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group link available in description of this video or contact with me on this WhatsApp number. Now let's move on to chart how to mark a large engulfing zone into a small engulfing zone. For example, friends, for example, you mark in daily time frame this simple engulfing buy zone. For example, how to make this large engulfing zone into a small. Go to H4 time frame. As you can see this, we find here two engulfing buy zone. As you can see this, look this. Mark this simple engulfing buy one and this engulfing cell fail. We find in daily time frame simple engulfing buy zone. Now in H4 two engulfing buy for buy entry, this and this. How to make this small? Because in daily time frame, look this zone is here to 18592. This zone is 250 pip zone. Now in H4 we find two zone for buy entry. This zone is 60 pip zone and this zone is 70 pip zone. Now go to H1 time frame for more. As you can see this, sorry, mark this little candle, this. As you can see this, now this zone is become only a 30 pip zone. Now this is good for us. Now 250 pip zone become only 30 pip zone, like this. And this, as you can see this, mark this zone, mark this engulfing cell fail meets with engulfing buy. If you mark this and if you mark this, no problem. Mark this simple engulfing cell or mark this, no problem. I mark this. Now this zone is become 670 pip zone become only 30 pip zone. 30 pip zone is for good for us for buy entry. Brothers, I told you before that when the simple engulfing cell become engulfing cell fail. For example, this simple engulfing cell become engulfing cell fail. You look for buy entry when price retrace back this zone. When price retrace this area, you look for buy. Your stop loss is 20 pips from the zone or 45 pips from the entry point. Hope you understand this. Friends, as you can see this, these two zone in precise zone and H1 time frame. Now let's see this. This is a 250 pip zone and daily time frame. When the daily candle close below this wick, this zone, this whole zone no longer valid for buy entry. Understand? Hope you understand this. When the daily candle close below this wick, this zone is no longer valid for buy entry. Not H1 candle, M5 candle, M15 candle, yeah, or M30 candle. Only daily candle. Hope you understand this. Look for another example engulfing cell. Look in this example for engulfing cell scenario. For example, you mark this in daily time frame. Now this is a almost this is a 100 pips zone. Now go to H4. Friends, as you can see this 100 pip zone. Now in H4 time frame little bit small. Now this zone is only 50 pip zone. Now go to H1 for more small. As you can see this 100 pip zone now become only mark this in H1 simple engulfing cell. 100 pip zone become only 15 pip zone now. Friends, I hope you learn this how to mark large engulfing zone into a small engulfing zone. Friends, one thing keep in mind this I mark this zone for sell entry. When the daily candle close above this zone is no longer for valid for sell entry. I hope you understand this. I mark this zone for sell entry. When the daily candle not M1, M5, M15, M30, H1 yeah, or H4, when the daily candle close above this zone is no longer a valid for sell entry. I hope you understand this. I hope you all understand today's topic how to mark a large engulfing zone into a small engulfing zone. Please join my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group link available in description of this video. Next topic is very important. Confirmation A plus B plus C. Confirmation, how to take a confirmation in engulfing zone. Engulfing plus engulfing. Engulfing meets engulfing. A plus B plus C. This is a very important topic. Ready for it. This is our next topic. Hope you understand this. Please like this video, subscribe channel and join my WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching this video.